Hello everyone, my name is Ajit Jadhav and today I'll be talking about natural language processing applications in sports. So let's begin. To give you a little background, sports analytics has been on the rise for the last 10 years with data playing a crucial role in pre-game training as well as post-game analysis. As of 2021, the sports analytics market is valued at 900 million US dollars and it is expected to grow to 6.4 billion US dollars by 2030. Along with training purposes, sports analytics is being employed by organizations of the field as well to increase revenue through merchandising, sponsorship, media rights, ticket sales, etc. In this presentation, I'll be focusing more on NLP applications like the following. First is sports narrative enhancement with natural language generation. What sports narrative enhancement means is automatic generation of narratives which commentators use during the broadcast. Second will be sports highlight generation with NLP. In sporting competitions such as Wimbledon, a total of 675 games are played over the course of 14 days. So naturally, if editors are made to manually make video highlights, it will take a lot of days and it will also be extremely expensive. In order to address these problems, companies like IBM have developed applications that employ natural language processing and other machine learning techniques to automatically generate video highlights of the live events. And after that, we'll look at a few more NLP applications in sports. So moving on. Now let's take a look at sports narrative enhancement and how it is employed by organizations. So currently, Fox Sports along with Amazon Machine Learning Solution Lab have developed an NLG engine that automatically produces sports narratives for commentators. So what Amazon Machine Learning Solutions Lab does is that they develop a model pipeline that generates natural sounding sports narratives from a machine learning model which is trained on billions of English language text and sports statistics. So this natural language generation model was able to achieve a BLEU score above 99%. So to give you a little context, BLEU score stands for Bilingual Evaluation Understudy. It is a metric for measuring, it is a metric for automatically evaluating machine translated text. So the BLU score is a number between 0 and 1, with 0 indicating low quality text translation and 1 indicating high quality text translation. So if we talk in terms of percentage, BLEU score above 50% is considered to be very high quality, and a score of above 60% is considered to be even better than human translation. So now if you see on the right hand side, I have put up pictures of the input data and the output. You can see that the template of the input data on the right hand side. So this data is fed to the system where each row contains a statistical record. And if you see the output image, in the output image, we can see that the raw tabular features are concatenated into a sentence. These are then presented on the screen during the broadcast. So now moving on. So now let's talk about sports highlight generation using NLP. So as I mentioned earlier, IBM Watson is utilized for generating highlights at Wimbledon. If you see the image on the right, video of each match is segmented into small clips where each clip is given a score based on different categories. Some of these categories are crowd cheering noise, match analysis sound, the gestures made by players, and the overall excitement of the audio. Based on the above mentioned categories, the acoustic events from the video are classified using a machine learning model. The classifier recognizes sounds such as uh, announcer sound, the applause of the audience, the sound made by the bounce of the ball, the sound made by the feet of the players, the sound made by the racket when the ball hits the racket, non-playing sounds, which are the sounds made by the audience, and the line and the calls of the line judge. So these are the sounds which are classified. So overall, uh, so so overall they so overall the classification of these sounds was done using a machine learning model, and they have tried to maintain an F1 score of 87%. So based on the overall score that each clip receives and the business requirements, the highlight video is created. Uh, if you can see on the image on the right, you can see that the different clips are given a different score, like 0.74, 0.71. So based on these, the the video highlights are created. Yeah. So now let's take a look at some other applications. Uh, some other applications include automated sports news generation. This application has been used by a Dutch media group called NDC, which covered all 60,000 local football matches in Netherlands during the 2021-2022 season. Uh, Another application is use of crowd sentiment to pick winners in fantasy football applications. Uh, Also, the one more application is automated sports commentary generation. And these are some of my references. Thank you.